What if I told you that the secret to success is not money, luck, or talent, but the way you think? What if the same mindset that built the fortunes of some of the world's greatest leaders could also change your life? One of the most famous books ever written about the success is Think and Grow Rich, written by Napoleon Hill and published in 1937. It is often called the grandfather of motivational literature. But this book wasn't written based on guesses or theories. The idea actually began with the famous industrialist Andrew Carnegie, who challenged Hill to discover a universal formula for success. To find that formula, he spent more than 20 years studying and interviewing over 500 of the most successful people of his time, including legends like Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and John D. Rockefeller. After decades of research, he discovered something surprising: success begins in the mind. The core idea of the book is simple but powerful. Thoughts are things. The way you think shapes the reality you create. To explain this, he'll reveal 13 powerful principles of success, steps designed not only to help people gain financial wealth but also achieve personal growth, confidence, and a meaningful life. And the most fascinating part, these principles are not just for famous billionaires or inventors. Anyone can learn and apply them. So, the real question is, what if the same success formula that worked for the greatest minds in the history could work for you too? Hi everyone, I am Ayushi and welcome to your channel, The Turtle. On this channel, you will regularly find interesting and easy to understand summaries of a powerful self-help books explained in my own style so that you can learn big life lessons in a short time. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe now and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates or new book summaries. So watch this video till the end because your feedback really matters to me. You can share your genuine opinion through like or dislike so I can know what you enjoy and what I should improve. So without wasting any more time, let's begin today's topic. Chapter 1: How Success Begins with the Right Mindset. Many people start with a good idea and believe it will work, but when they face a small problem, they give up. This is very common, so you should not feel bad if you have done it before. What matters is changing your attitude from now. People fail to become successful because they do not develop the right mindset. To achieve success, you must stop procrastinating, stop being afraid, and believe strongly in your goals. With strong belief, determination, and the right steps, you can achieve what you want. These ideas have influenced many successful people like John D. Rockefeller, Theodore Roosevelt, Alexander Graham Bell, and Thomas Edison. The main message is that success starts with your mindset. If you start determined and do not give up when problems come, you can achieve your goals. Chapter 2: How Strong Determination Leads to Success. The first step to success is having a strong and clear desire. It should not be a weak wish but a powerful passion that does not stop when problems appear. Many people give up too early and never realize that success might have been very close. A story from the Colorado Gold Rush explains this idea. One family found gold and started mining. But when they could not find more gold, they stopped and sold their machines. They did not know that if they had dug 3 more feet, they would have found the gold again. Another family continued digging and became rich. The lesson is never give up too soon. Another example is Edwin Sylvanus, who strongly wanted to work with Thomas Edison. Because of his strong desire and determination, he finally achieved his goal and worked with Edison for more than 30 years. So, if you also want to develop a strong desire, control your thoughts, clearly decide what you want, make a specific plan, write your goal, read it aloud twice every day. This will strengthen your desire so that obstacles cannot stop you. Scientists also say parts of the brain like the striatum and orbitofrontal cortex help control motivation. Chapter 3. Faith is intangible, but it is powerful force. Many people find it hard to believe in a faith because it cannot be seen or touched. But faith can be created and strengthened using something called autosuggestion. This means repeating positive thoughts to yourself so your mind start believing them. When you visualize your goals and repeat affirmations, you send strong messages to your subconscious mind. After that, you should make a plan and work on it with dedication. Faith and a strong desire will help you overcome problems. The passage explains that repetition influences the mind. For example, if someone stays around bad activities like theft or drugs for a long time, they slowly get used to it and may even start doing it. This happens because repeated experiences affect the subconscious mind. So, to build faith, talk to yourself positively every day. Clearly say what you want to achieve. Promise yourself to keep trying and not give up. Imagine yourself already achieving your goal. This personal promise and visualization help strengthen your confidence and motivation. When you clearly imagine success, it becomes easier to avoid procrastination and keep moving toward your goals. Chapter 4. The key to success lies in specializing your knowledge. People often say knowledge is power, but having a lot of random information is not always useful. Instead, it is better to focus on specialized knowledge related to your goals or field. There are two types of knowledge: general knowledge and specialized knowledge. General knowledge is the basic information about many topics, but in specialized knowledge, you deep knowledge about a specific field. Specialized knowledge helps you make better plans and decisions in your chosen area. Too much unrelated information can make your brain feel confused, tired, and distracted. That is why choosing a specific niche and learning deeply about it is more helpful. Learning alone does not make you rich, but it helps you create better plans and actions. For example, Henry Ford believed he did not need to know everything himself. Instead, he focused on the knowledge related to his field and relied on experts for other information. The main idea is focus on mastering the knowledge that helps you achieve your goals. Also, the brain works in a two ways. The right side helps with creativity, imaginations, and emotions, while the left side helps with logic, reasoning, reading, and analysis. Chapter 5. If you can imagine anything, you can achieve it. As children, we are encouraged to dream and imagine, but many people stop doing this when they grow up. To achieve your goals as an adult, you must continue using your imagination and focus it on your dreams. Imagination helps you create ideas and make plans. Many great inventions started as ideas in someone's mind. For example, things like global communication and space travel were once only dreams before they became real. There are two types of imagination: synthetic imagination and creative imagination. In synthetic imagination, you use and combine ideas or knowledge you already know. But in creative imagination, you create completely new ideas and solutions. Creative imagination is very powerful because it helps you get new ideas or sudden insights. These ideas should then be turned into a clear and organized plan to reach your goal. You should not work alone. It is helpful to build a group of trusted people who share ideas, advice, and different perspectives. Napoleon Hill called this group the Mastermind Alliance. The key message is use your imagination, make a clear plan, and work with the right people to achieve success. An inspiring example is Thomas Edison, who failed about 10,000 times before successfully inventing the light bulb. Chapter 6. Be a leader and make a firm plan to move forward. Success requires a clear and well organized plan. If your plan is messy or unclear, it becomes easier to procrastinate. It is also helpful to have backup plans because problems and unexpected situations can happen. Another important factor in success is working with the right people. You cannot succeed completely alone. A strong and supportive team helps you stay motivated and move forward. Good interpersonal skills are important to create a positive and inspiring environment in the group. Failure is also a normal part of success. Everyone makes mistakes and face problems. When a plan fails, you should improve it and try again instead of giving up. A supportive group, which Napoleon Hill calls a mastermind alliance, can help you fix problems and continue working toward your goal. To lead such a group successfully, you need a leadership qualities such as courage, self-control, fairness, justice, good decision making, ability to create clear plans, doing more than what is expected, and cooperation with others. The main idea is be a strong leader, make organized plans, learn from failure, and keep moving forward. Chapter 7. Avoid procrastination to make progress. Successful people are able to make quick and firm decisions without letting procrastination stop them. For example, Henry Ford was known for making fast decisions, but when he needed to change something, he carefully examined every option first. If you worry too much about other people's opinion, it can slow you down. Listening to too many outside views can weaken your desire and faith in your goals. That's why you should mainly trust your own thinking and the advice of your trusted group, which Napoleon Hill called the Mastermind Alliance. Choose the members of this group carefully. Making strong decisions also requires courage. A powerful example is the United States Declaration of Independence, when 56 men bravely signed the document even though their lives were at risk. Another important quality for success is persistence. Persistence means continuing to work toward your goal even when things become difficult. When desire and persistence work together, they create strong determination. Things that build persistence include having a clear purpose, strong desire, self confidence, self reliance, clear plans, specialized knowledge, working with supportive people, strong willpower, and developing positive habits. The core message is make a firm decisions, ignore unnecessary opinions, and stay persistent to achieve your goals. Chapter 8. The power of the brain and the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is strongly affected by the thoughts you repeat to yourself. Through auto suggestions, you can influence your mind by repeating positive ideas and beliefs. The subconscious mind never stops working. Even when you are sleeping, it responds more to emotions than to logic. When you feel strong emotions about something, you are more motivated to achieve or solve it. There are 7 positive emotions that help building a strong mindset, like desire, faith, love, sex, enthusiasm, romance, and hope. This positive emotion should replace negative emotions like fear, hate, anger, greed, revenge, and superstitions. This process is called the law of habit, which means repeated positive thinking creates positive habits. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles to success. Common fears include poverty, criticism, ill health, losing loved ones, old age, death, etc. Fear often leads to indecision and overthinking, which can stop you from moving forward. To protect yourself from negativity, build strong willpower, focus on positive thinking, surround yourself with positive and supportive people. The main idea is train your mind with positive thoughts and emotions. Remove fear and stay around people who encourage and support you. And last, we are moving to the conclusion part. So, if you become stronger and more decisive, you can change your mindset and move closer to success. Instead of giving up when problems appear, you will stay focused on your goals and continue working toward them. Changing your mindset does not happen quickly. It takes time, effort, and practice. And as you improve one skill, it helps you improve the next one. This creates a snowball effect, and your confidence grows as you achieve small goals. Success is not based on a luck, it comes from hard work, persistence, and self discipline. You must learn to control your emotions, make clear plans, and keep moving toward your life goals. To start improving your mindset, repeat positive affirmations every day to strengthen your belief. Choose supportive people from your mastermind alliance, a concept which explained by a Napoleon Hill. Meet and connect with like minded people to build confidence and overcome fear of a meeting new people. The core message of overall the session is develop the right mindset to work consistently and surround yourself with supportive people to achieve your goals. And if you enjoy summaries like this and want more powerful life changing book insights, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notifications. That way, whether you are waking up, walking, sitting, eating, or even working, you can keep improving yourself anytime and anywhere. Stay consistent, stay learning, stay growing. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, tata, and take care.